Anyway, so finished the rear differential. Yeah, look at that. So I took some of the gears and they look like this. So stuff like this, and the idler gear, whatever. And what it is this is the rear diff back here. There's a big main gear here. It does come like that. And then an idler gear differential. But you have, take that out again, you got this little area to send power to this, which is going to send it down a huge like drive shaft to the front. So that's how it gets it. It's the front, it goes side and then sends it down to the front. So the rear differential is good. Haven't found the motor mount yet. Sure, it'll turn up eventually. Probably when I'm just gonna watch TV. Boom, there it is, sitting like right on the TV. Because that's me. Anyway, put that back. I'm running out of Tamiya grease. Bad thing. Or I'm just like bad at getting it out. I'm gonna set it up like that so I can get most of it out. I've used quite a lot of ball bearings already. I only have a set amount left. But I think it should be enough for now. Oh, I guess I gotta do one more thing. Little tiny screw. Those are bushings. I got like 4 metal bushings, which I really hate those. They're just as bad as plastic bushings, if not worse. But you were going on to the thing, putting some rubber stoppers in the diff outputs. Really annoying to put in. I didn't show you that process because I didn't think you were going to watch it, but I can put up just some. I could show you the first diff assembly, or the front diff, I should say. Show you how I did that. I think more people would want to see that. Leave it in the comments, or like it, just like thing, the video, the thing. Like the video if you want to see me do the front diff as well, or just show the front diff. I'm going to do the front diff, but if you want me to show it to you, leave a like. Anyway, next thing in line. Ooh, we're going to start building the front now. So, move all this crap. Let me reorganize here for a second and tell you what I'm about to do. About to build the front suspension arms. Woo! Front suspension, yeah. That's going to be next. And then the front gearbox. So, probably only going to go to 10. So, I only got 2 more steps left to show you now, I think, and then I'll go back to whatever. Right, anyway. Which one are we looking at? This is D, I believe. Looks like we're looking for D stuff and C. This is both D, so I need C as well. I don't think they require much choice this. A or B or C. That's C. No idea where my motor mount is, but I was going to buy a metal one anyway, so I guess it saves me the trouble. Oh crap. I already broke it. Shock tower, that's what that is. This is my random parts section. If I don't have a part, I'll look in the random parts section and try to match it. This is A, so that's A, put that back. This is C. Yes. Ooh, they gave me multiple servo horns. Different sizes too. That's nice. Because my servo, I don't know, it could be a little weird. Different servo horns. I don't know. Okay. I want C11. Guessing C12 as well. Because they look exactly the same. Anything else for C? No. I'm gonna need these. These are diff. These are front diff output shafts. A little bit different. They use pins. Actually, I don't know how they're gonna work. Oh, they screw into something. Figure out what later. Not gonna be the gears. Figure it out later. More ball bearings. Put one here. That's hold on. Lesson to learn. Put in your front one first. There we go. Good to know they're easy to take out. And there you go. See, I put the front one in there, and then there's one in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but there's one in the back there, and they just kind of stick on. And that's how it looks like that happened. These aren't diff out drives. These are what goes out. This is what goes out to the wheel. Okay. And the nut screws on, and there's a pin drive system in there. So that's one of them down. Put those on next. I'm just gonna. So. Ready? Ball bearing. So that one goes up front. This one I'm going to use the out drive itself to push it in the back, because that's easier because it's really far behind. So all I'm going to do is add some pressure, forward, fall out, right? So they're good. They're in. So there we go. And there's not really a difference between the two. They're pretty much identical. That's so much more movement than I get with those. Those are annoying. There you go. There's two of them ready. There's the front. Those are the front pivot blocks, I think. I don't really know. Caster arms. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Right, next I need D8 and D9. D8 right here. Weird way to do that. But all the real modelers are laughing at me now because I really have a good modeling knife. So this is D8, D9. Oh man, there we go, D8, D9. I think it goes more along the lines of that. That looks like a suspension arm right there. I don't know. D8, D9, D8, D9. There's two of them? Yeah, there's... Oh, wow, this is an exact copy. That one, literally, like... There's two D sets of these, and they're exactly the same. So I have 4 shock eyelets, 2 shock preload spacers, I guess. They're like the colors. They're easier. I like those. Arms. I got 4 arms then. So they're probably going to go something like that. So like that, I'm going to guess. that's what it shows. And we're going to go 3x10. Man, these 3x10 screws are popular. Do it like that, and then they go there. And also, I'm going to have to get one of those MA19. So, what looks to be rusty. I don't know why they did that. Hold on a second. Sorry, different frame, bad edit. Camera keeps going out on me. I'll have to fix it. Get a new one. Or just not use my phone anymore. It's kind of funny. Right, there we go. Some tapping screws in. I should probably go through this entire thing and tighten down every single screw again, but I'll do that later. So those two are in. Okay, then I gotta put one on the other side, so one goes here, there's no one that goes in there, and these are 3x10 screws. Very common throughout the entire thing. Try not to over tighten these because I don't want to strip out any holes. So we'll go through it again. Just with a fine hand, tighten up everything. That seems to be kind of loose. When I finish something, I like to go through it and tighten it up. So now we need one of these screw pins. No, wait, we need one of these screw pins. Not the other ones. I think those, the other ones, these go through this here. So this thing goes through this. This goes through this back here. No, it doesn't. Where's it go? No, I was right. This goes through the smaller one. Although, I don't know why I would do that, because it's kind of long. Yeah, it goes... Oh! Bit of a idiot sometimes. Oh, that's why. I grabbed the wrong one again. I keep doing it. These go through that. The little ones go through that. I probably just confused the crap out of you. Sorry. The littler ones go through the littler side, really. There shouldn't be any gap, and I just dropped that onto my foot. That happens. At least they're screw pins and not E-clips. E-clips suck. Although it would be better if they were captured. That back in. Yeah, so that's that done. That looks like a suspension arm already. I'll just drop that out just so I don't have to worry about that falling. These may back out, so I may put some thread lock on them just to do that. I'll probably go through once I'm done with a lot of these and just thread lock whatever I've done. There you go. Doesn't that look like... Actually, I think that's the rear suspension. That's not the front suspension. These are the rear arms. So there you go. Boom. Anyway. So... I'm going to go through all this, make sure all the hardware is nice and tight before I go any further. Because I'm about to connect everything, but we won't get this chance for a while. I think they should be tight. lot of these are really like just plastic things where it just self taps all the way through. There's no tapping in it at all, so you have to do it yourself, which is highly annoying. Hold on a second, I'm so sorry. This, I think. No. That's not it. No, it's the other one then, because I know there's another one.